Grancy graybeard, old man's beard, fringe tree. This plant has many aliases, but there really is only one, Chiananthus virginicus, or American fringe tree. Planted in mass or as a single specimen, American fringe tree is sure to be a showstopper in any garden throughout North Carolina. This low-maintenance, native mid-story tree easily reaches heights of 25 to 30 feet slowly over time. Arguably one of the more attractive features for this plant are the 2 to 3 inch clusters of flowers that emerge in late spring. The flowers themselves are also lightly fragrant, which really begs garden visitors to get up close to enjoy the scent. This is probably why I've also heard this tree called sweetheart tree. As far as growing conditions go, it's pretty straightforward for American fringe tree. Put this plant in full to partial sun and average to well-drained soils. This plant will even tolerate some brief periods of drought. American fringe tree is also relatively pest and disease free, although it is attacked by the relatively new invasive insect species emerald ash borer. Grancy graybeard will always be at the top of my list for native tree recommendations for North Carolina gardens. If you have questions about this plant or any other plant that will grow well in North Carolina, visit the database or your local county cooperative extension office.